Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at the official Huawei SmartView flip cover for the P30 and P30 Pro. A favourite of many, the SmartView has been a staple of the official Huawei case range across their device releases. The hassle-free setup and ease of use make it a great option for P30 and P30 Pro users, regardless of your technical ability. To get started, you just simply place your handset into the case and close the front cover. This will trigger the SmartView feature, giving you an instant display of the date, time, as well as smart notifications in the most convenient way possible. The smart features don't stop there. With this cover, you can also respond to incoming calls. A simple swipe up or down will answer or reject the call, making it easier than ever to answer your phone. I found the smart feature also alerts you of any alarms, as well as notifying you about texts when you receive them. I think this is amazing, as you can quickly glance at your notifications while keeping the screen protected. Speaking of protection, this definitely adds a lot. The full coverage ensures your latest handset is well covered against scratches and scrapes, keeping your phone in mint condition. I do feel this case would open easily upon impact, which may result in the phone becoming damaged, but for general day-to-day use this is a solid option. One handy feature I like is its compatibility with Huawei's Sleepweight feature. By simply opening the front cover, you can instantly wake your P30 or P30 Pro and send it back to sleep again by closing the front cover. This is a fantastic way of preserving battery life by sending the phone to sleep when it's not in use. In terms of design, the official nature of the case certainly shines through with its premium finish. I really like the slim profile. It adds virtually no bulk, which is something that you don't usually see in smart cases from other manufacturers. The faux leather finish has an executive look and feel, making your phone look great no matter where you go. As the P30 Pro comes with wireless charging capabilities, we tested it out to see how well this case holds up. Our tests found that both wireless charging and Huawei's reverse wireless charging work flawlessly with the case on. I think this is amazing, as you can make use of these features without removing the case. That's all we have for our look into Huawei SmartView flip cover for the P30 and P30 Pro. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase this cover for your phone, links will be in the description and comments of this video.